Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a phone that has literally shaken the entire tech world to its core. That's right, we're talking about the device that's about to absolutely explode in 2026. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, let's take a trip down memory lane. Who here remembers the absolute legend that was Nokia? I'm talking about the good old days when your parents would only say one thing when you needed a new phone. Son, only buy Nokia, because even if it falls off the roof, the floor will crack, not the phone. That level of trust, that ruggedness, that raw reliability, man, it was something else entirely. Sure, over the past few years, that love kind of faded into the background. But let me tell you something, it never truly died. And now, this sleeping lion has woken up, and it's roaring with a vengeance that's about to shake the entire market to its core. This isn't just a comeback, this is a full-on hostile takeover. Nokia is coming back not to play, but to absolutely crush giants like Apple, Samsung, and OnePlus in their own backyard. So, if you're hunting for a smartphone in 2026 that's going to absolutely blow your mind, buckle up, because today we're pulling the curtain back on the biggest storm brewing in the tech industry, the Nokia Zero Max 5G. We're talking leaked features, insane pricing, launch dates, everything. And after you hear all of this, you're going to agree, this is how you make a comeback. So, let's waste no more time and dive right in. Display. First up, let's talk about the window to your soul, and this phone's soul, the display. Nokia has gone all out with a massive 6.85-inch 2K plus LTPO Super AMOLED panel. And oh my god, the colors on this thing are so deep and vibrant that if you're watching a horror movie at night, the darkness on the screen will be so real, you'll actually get chills in your own living room. And the brightness, it's so ridiculously powerful that even under the blazing afternoon sun, your screen will pop like a diamond in the desert. But where it gets really spicy is the 144Hz refresh rate and a 390Hz touch sampling rate. Translation: your taps are so insanely responsive that in your games, by the time you blink, your enemy is already eliminated. And come on, this is Nokia we're talking about, they've loaded it with Corning Gorilla Glass armor too. We're talking keys, coins, even an accidental knife slip, the screen just shrugs it off like it's nothing. Absolute beast mode, camera setup. Now, let's get to the feature that has literally kept the entire tech community up at night. Guys, we've seen 50 megapixel, 100 megapixel, heck, even 200 megapixel cameras. But Nokia is reaching for the stars this time and bringing a whopping 300 megapixel DSLR killer primary camera. Yes, your ears did not deceive you. 300 megapixels. What does that mean? It means you can zoom in from hundreds of meters away and clearly see the pupil of a bird sitting on a tree branch. It's like having a telescope in your pocket. And it's not just about the megapixels. When the night gets dark and eerie, Nokia's legendary Pure View technology is back to work its magic. This sensor will capture so much light in pitch black conditions that your night shots will look like they were taken in broad daylight. On top of that, there's a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens so wide that you can fit your entire squad in a group photo, and nobody's getting cropped out. Then there's the 12 megapixel telephoto portrait lens that gives you such a smooth, creamy bokeh effect that you'll look like a straight-up Bollywood star or a professional model in every shot. And for the selfie fanatics out there, we've got a 50 megapixel autofocus front camera, because your vibe deserves to be captured in crystal clarity, day or night. Performance. Now, with all that raw power, you need an engine that can handle it. So Nokia has packed in the world's most advanced processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, built on a groundbreaking 2nm architecture. What's that mean for you? Rocket speed performance that sips battery like a miser hoards his cash. Whether you're editing 4K videos, juggling 50 apps at once, or blasting through heavy hitters like BGMI, Free Fire, or COD on max settings, this phone won't heat up and won't stutter. And the best part, the signature Nokia experience: clean, pure, untouched software. No bloatware, no junk apps, just a pure stock Android 17 experience. It's like a breath of fresh air in a world full of clutter. Battery life. Now, let's talk about battery. Guys, let's be honest, a phone can have all the bells and whistles, but if it dies by lunchtime, it's useless. Nokia has heard your cries and stuffed in a monster 8000mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, 8000mAh. Scroll through reels from sunrise to sunset, binge an entire Netflix series, game non-stop, and this battery will just yawn and ask, is that all you got? I'm not even sweating yet. With normal usage, you're easily looking at a day and a half to 2 days of juice. And when you finally do manage to drain it, the box includes a 125-watt ultra-fast charger that takes you from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. By the time you finish your chai and samosa, your phone is already fully charged and ready to rock. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, what is Nokia going to charge for this supercomputer? Your kidney? Both of them? Nope. And here's where it gets interesting. Leaks suggest this absolute powerhouse could launch at a starting price of $900 in the US market. That's roughly half the price of flagship iPhone and Samsung Ultra models, but with double the firepower. It's a direct power move, and it's absolutely brilliant. And the launch date? No official confirmation yet, but insider buzz says this storm could hit the shelves by the end of 2026. So, what do you think, guys? Do you believe the Nokia Zero Max 5G can truly dethrone the likes of Apple, Samsung, and OnePlus? Are you holding off on your next purchase for this beast? I want to hear all your thoughts. Drop your honest opinions in the comments section below, and let's get the conversation going.